Hello, everybody, and let's dive into the dark web. As you can see, I'm in the dark web search engine, DuckDuckGo, and of course, I'm surfing through Kali Linux, as you can see. And Kali Linux is installing here, and I'm using Kali Linux to surf the dark web. And so what is the dark web, what I'm using and everything. Okay, this is a Tor browser. The Tor browser is the browser that you need to surf into the dark web with. Okay, the Tor browser is also using a thing that's called Onion Protocol. So what is Onion Protocol? Onion Protocol is the information that I'm using moving through a lot of proxies, okay? And in all one of the proxies is being encrypted. So encrypted, over encrypted, over encrypted, over encrypted, and over encrypted. Okay, so if we take all of that, it looks like an onion. Okay, one layer up against another, one layer up against another, encrypting your information and keeping you safe. Okay, why I'm quoting safe and saying that like that? Because nothing in the internet is safe. Okay, everybody can hack you and find your details. So because of that, I'm using, of course, a virtual machine and not surfing through my computer. Okay. So what we can find on the dark web is, of course, you can find a lot of illegal stuff and stuff like that. That's not what I'm going to show here. Okay. You can find the CIA in the dark web. Okay. You can read the Bible. That's what you think, right? You can surf on DEFCON and find out the articles and CFTs and a lot of stuff that cybersecurity oriented in the dark web. And so, and you can find news, not source, not government news, from more free news that you can go and search stuff. I don't know, I want to get get political and stuff like that, but you can search the page and find news that you want to see, and you can see comic books, V for Vendetta, X-Men, and we can go even deeper and see recent news here and found where I'm being passed through the Onion network. And you can see I go to Switzerland, Germany, and Poland, and you can see my IPs and MAC addresses. And so, as you search the dark web, you can find a lot of interesting stuff, but use caution and be safe. If you like what you've seen and you want to see more, click like, click subscribe. See you in the next one.